if you say there are no concepts of minority rights as per the Constitution, you tell me, and to your great credit, you stood up during the Shah Bano case, which was seen in the 1980s as a major turning point, because people then sensed that the state was doing what was described as, at one level, appeasement. Have we moved from appeasement in the 1980s to today what is described as majoritarianism? That in a sense, while you say there are no minority rights, there was minority appeasement when a Muslim woman wanted her rights under the law, which she should have been guaranteed of maintenance, wasn't given. And today, where you have a situation where the main party of this country does not have a single Muslim representative in the Lok Sabha out of the 300 odd. So have we moved, sir, from minority appeasement in the 1980s when the Congress was in power to majoritarianism today?
I do not know if that was minority appeasement. Because half the Muslim population, you were depriving of a right.
Absolutely.
Was it an appeasement? It was appeasement of certain sections, mostly those who have political ambitions. And I have tried to clear this misunderstanding again and again. And today I have no hesitation to repeat it. I was not fighting for women's rights. First of all, my viewpoint is that there are no women's rights. These are all human rights. And if you deprive women of their rights, then you are only, the men are hurting themselves, the society is hurting itself. You weaken the society when you weaken half of your population. Basically, the thing which motivated me most was the language which was being used by All India Muslim Personal Law Board. What they were saying, ये हमारे मिल्ली तशख़्ख़ुस का मामला है, not even of religion. We have a separate community identity. Now till 1947, they were saying that we are a separate nation. Now they do not have the guts to repeat the same thing because country has already been partitioned. Therefore, they were using a euphemism to promote separatism, and they were saying, "Milli tashakhus ka mamla." We are not part of the Indian mainstream. We are different from that mainstream. I took exception to that stand. If you feel anybody, India, anybody feels concerned, why only a community? Even if an individual feels concerned about his religious faith, this society has always been like that, that issue must be addressed. But if in the name of religion, you are promoting separatism, you are promoting division in the society, then that was my advice. That in fact, in Hindi, I had formulated 2 sentences, and I had suggested to the then leader of the government that stand up in parliament and say, if anybody has any concern about his religious faith, Bharat Bhumi, Dharm Bhumi hai, hum usko, we will address that. But we shall not allow anybody to use religion to create divisions in the society.